Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, Solana has broken the resistance level to the upside, is therefore extending the third wave further to the upside, which means we had to watch for the 48.30 level, and that's where the price has arrived now. We want to talk in this video only about the shorter time frame to present you with the updated micro count of Solana. We had two options above 38.70, which was one was just a high B wave, and the other one was the extension of the third, which is going for, as it seems. I just have to assume it because we broke above the third wave high. And the next resistance level was highlighted as 48.30. So that is what we have reached now, basically as next level to watch. Here, this is the last year's August high. And then if we zoom in, you can see, first of all, while we're here on this, time frame, the next fib level is $55.70. So that's been the next target anyway, either directly or after a pullback. We expect that $55 level to be reached. It seems to want to go there directly. And above that level, we've got $63, $64, which is the 1.38 Fibonacci extension level. And I have added for you a micro count to this chart, which might give you an orientation of where we stand. The idea is that this ABC structure here completed on Friday in a wave 4, and that the move to the upside is likely a diagonal pattern. So, we might want to, I don't know if we can use a trend line here, not really. But sometimes these diagonals, they unfold, with trend lines and so on. They respect these trend lines. Maybe that will come up. The reason why we're dealing with a diagonal is that this move up, again, is a three-wave move. That's fine, ABC in 1, corrective move in 2, ABC in wave 3. So we might be working on wave 3 now. Then there should be a 4 and a 5 that could get us to $55. But the third wave, there's no sign of exhaustion at this stage. So let's just take a look at the Fibonacci levels here on the micro level. So we can take the length of that wave 1, we go to the low of that wave 2, and it's now reached the 1.618 extension. Definitely a level to watch there for a third wave in a diagonal. Can always extend higher. Then looking at the micro fib levels here, we've got $49.40 next as potential next level to watch for wave 3, and then $50.70. Ideally, at some point there, we get the pullback, but sometimes they do extend further, and we cannot rule out that a third wave will take us more directly to that $55 level. And that's exactly when I would say, okay, looking at the bigger picture, $55 is the next target, but overall, for a circle wave 3, which is the larger degree third wave in an even larger diagonal, even the 1.38 extension level is reasonable. So that is now very much dependent on the microstructures, how much this third wave is extending. And if it extends further, way beyond, I would say, well, if it extends beyond $50.70, that is when I would say, okay, we might reach $63.70 in the circle wave 3 after a wave 4 pullback with a wave 5. But we'll see. The trend is up, and the trend remains up on the Solana chart. And if you wondering what is the level you can focus on if you want to look at higher prices, well, obviously the idea would be we are in a third wave. The third wave would be an ABC structure, so A, B, C in yellow. It looks as if this is a small 1-2 setup in wave C. So there should be basically another 4-5 coming, right? So you could use this small swing low as key level at $43.88. Below that level, we are likely, it's a first signal that we're breaking down, right? Or that this rally is over. And if it breaks down now, what would it be? It might just have been a high B wave. That's possible, But for now, against that level, the focus is on higher. I think this is the most probable scenario after the breakout here. Just pay attention to 48.30 next. And then I think the road should be free to $55. That's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.